Hi guys, welcome back. So following on from my stamps, I wanted to do the stencils separately because I don't think they're actually going to stay in this tub. This tub is, if you haven't seen the previous video, is actually a one from Wilko's. It's like a fridge bin, and it was super cheap. So it's not as sturdy as the Interdesign ones that are on that I would get through Amazon, but a tub that works is anything that's going to hold something wider than 6 inches or 8 inches. 6 inches should work fine. So something 7 inches or 8 inches across the base of the tub or box will work fine. But what I have is I have my stencils, because most of them are 6x6. I have them in here, and then I have some temporary dividers. And for example, this is Honeybee. And this is just some cardstock. I haven't actually laminated this. Don't know that I need to, even though I've done all the laminating for the stamps and a lot of my other stuff. Don't know that I'm going to or need to, but I basically have like a temporary little tab label. I've labeled it with my label maker and just stuck it to the piece of cardstock, just to divide up all the different companies. It's just how I work. I function better if I know what company to go to, if that makes sense. So like a lot of Lawn Fawn stuff will all work and integrate together, even though, pardon me, even though you have some that are meant for, say, Christmas or Halloween, there's a lot of images that will actually mix and match amongst different seasons for different things. So I tend to keep them in company order. I do have a catalogue of all these different things in, and those are in categories like spring, Easter, whatever. So again, I have the little ones in the front. I only have the little Lawn Fawn, the like templates for the reveal wheel. So I just have, these came in a set of 4, so I keep them together. This is just a CD pocket with a piece of, I think that's actually copy paper in there. It works. So yeah, it doesn't even need to be cheap cardstock, it could just be copy paper. And then I have Tim Holtz. Now this is more difficult to store because he has some very big stencils, and then he's got the minis. So I have them on a little ring, like a book ring, and I just have all the minis together in like number order. They got numbers imprinted on them, so I just keep them in that order. And then I have the larger ones in the back here. I actually only have 2, so that's the 2 of them. And then these pockets, I've actually, these are the what are they called? The Avery L extra large pockets that I usually use for my bigger stamp sets. I actually just trimmed the top off. These are just nice and sturdy and last a lot longer than some of the other things I've used. Nothing wrong with the other things, just these last longer. And these are actually the seasonal masks that were from forever ago, and I just put them in here according to season. So I've got the Halloween ones. They all came on one sheet, but I've separated them between Halloween, the Valentine ones, etc. I did do a video last year on, what was that? Using the Christmas one. The Santa and the Sleigh. That guy there. So I just keep them in there, and then the same with the rest of them. I haven't labelled all of the actual pockets. These are the ones I've actually made myself. My handmade ones. Handmade, homemade, whatever you want to call it. And at the moment I have them just shoved in the front of, so these are the larger stamp sets at the back here, and I actually just have them with one of the folders that I've previously made. I had a spare one, and I just labelled it Stencils and Masks. So what I might do, going on the back of the previous video talking about the larger stamp sets, is I may actually put the embossing folders, which are, there's a few here, I might actually put them into a section that similar to this in the front of this. So have embossing folders, and then, or have stencils then embossing folders because they're chunkier, and then have them in their own tub, because I think I've probably got enough embossing folders that it will fill enough to stand up on its own, if that makes sense. And then just leave the rest of this tub for the bigger stamp sets. But this is about stencils, not stamps and everything else. So yeah, so that's it. That's all I do for my stencils. The stencils fit in here really nicely. 6x6 ones. These are some Stampin' Up! Ones from ages ago. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will be back with another organising video in this series that I'm doing this year. Bye for now.